Oh yeah. All nasty. Who does this? Oh. Work in progress. Tail lights next. Boot on. What a nug. Alright, so we're back here at the factory. We've got old mate Cammy Marton helping out today. And yeah, so first things first on this nug. It's been sitting around a little bit, so we wanted to check the fuel, make sure it hasn't got any rust or anything in the tank. So just hooked up the all the stuff to it, and just got a little bottle here, so we'll run a bit through into the bottle and just have a look, see if it's not dirty or rusty or anything, and if it's all good, we'll just chuck some more fuel in and we should be able to get it running soon. Do you want to flick her over and see how she's looking? Nothing's happening? Might need to check the jump starter, because it does turn off automatically. Still on. Unless they've blown a fuse or something. Crank her up, boy. Oh yeah, oh. He's coming. Oh yeah, looks alright. It's a little bit orange-like. I don't know if that's normal. No. Looks like pee. It's a verdict.
It's pretty bad, that smell.
It's just not strong.
Smells a bit old.
Yeah,
so.
But old's okay. Or do you still want to drain it? We can just, all we can do is we can probably just run that.
Yeah.
Just run it out as much as we can until the pump sort of empties what's in the tank. When there's a little bit left in there, we can just chuck. I've got 40 litres in the jerry's at the front. And she be real. It did run for a second when I picked it up to try and get it on the trailer. It's running a bit rich because one of the cool pipes was off. But yeah, we'll get it running in a second. We're also getting got Tony here, painting up the wall on this side, make it look a bit nicer, match this side. We'll get some logos on it later. Looking free-ish. Alright, so we've put a couple of jerry cans in, put some water, some clamps, everything, checked everything. Ready to send. Is it working? No. That old chestnut. Should, once that light turns on, you're good to go. Yeah, that's it to get. See if she runs. Doesn't like her though. I wonder if the earths are too shit on this thing. Oh god. Try now?
Got nothing.
Nothing. I reckon it doesn't like starting off that. No? Maybe?
Needs more power maybe.
Yeah. More power. Alright, we charged up this. We've got a battery, but terminal in the boot isn't in there yet, so waiting on that. We'll give it a shot with this fully charged, see how it goes. Oh! It had it. Yeah. Liked it. Hey! Might need to build up fuel pressure because I've had that thing. Didn't like to idle for some reason. I'm not sure why. Sounds like it's got a mad back leak somewhere. Oh, watch the skirt. Sounds like it's got a cam. It smells rich. Got all the tail lights back in, by the way, too, on the boot. It's all up. Some of those plugs here again. Those ones. Oh, she runs. So pulled the callbacks out. Number 5 was missing when you unplugged it. So just check the plugs are a bit funky on the callbacks, and the spark plugs are all random. One of one kind, one of the other. They got some new ones to chuck in. What else we got? Fuel filter, some coolant and fresh oil. Slap in there. See how she sounds afterwards. Also got remove the sway bar out of this. Got the turbo off. Get a new gasket in there. Not sure if the gasket can arrive. Got to check if the new wheels clear on lock, so I'll do that in a second. While I've got all these piping off, got the blow off valve. No one wants that. Delete that out. So found a bit of there's the old gasket. Found a bit of gutter stuff out the back. That'll be perfect. Nice tin snipper up to match it. Just bolt it back on. Block her up, done. Alright, so the master fabric header cam was tin snipped up. Us gasket to match, close enough. Bolt holes and all. So I don't have any gasket goop here at the moment. So we're just going to run the standard gasket on the inside, because it's got the stock sort of seal on it, because it's pretty much doing the same thing. Just deleting the hole and what is it, like an actuator for the bob. It's just pretty much deleting that. So we'll get dose. So it'll be pretty good to get some dose. What do you reckon?
Definitely. Need to get a metal intake pipe.
Ah, dang it! I should have brought my spare pipes. We'll find something. Do we have anything here? Oh, we'll just chuck the one off this on it. Where is it? Chuck that one. Because you need to run that. That's right. Still got the airflow meter in the intake, which is the killer of dose. So we'll have to chuck that in here as well at some point for all the dose mods. All right, she's all hooked back up. Bulb locked. Spark plugs. New plugs in, gapped. All wires checked. Should be all good. Chuck the battery in the boot, and that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. So it should start. Oh, listen to that. Sounds way better. What's that? There we go. Doesn't sound missing. Doesn't sound like it's cammed anymore. Does it? That. Oh, tiny bit. Let her run for a bit. It's got no vac leaks anymore. Okay. Tiny belt sounds a little bit tight, doesn't it? We tightened it too much when they did the head. Sounds like mine, 33, too tight as well. Oh yeah, we'll run it for a little bit, see how it goes. Does that go coolant? Or yeah. This is coolant flush and some fresh oil. So fresh oil filter. Got a fresh fuel filter. It's got pretty much a full tank of fresh fuel. Yeah, then we can start cleaning out the body, coilovers, lock the diff, manual spot, some wheels. It's got the shitty skirts that came with, sitting on it. Got a front bar. Undecided if we're going to run it. I checked the lock on these and it hits the top, the wishbone on probably about halfway through lock. So probably gonna have to run some bolt-on spacers, maybe 20 or 30 mil ones, to make it clear. And hopefully it still clears on the fronts when it turns in. Yeah. So both the turbo gaskets on the 33 gone. That one's pretty cooked, so that's not what you want. And that one's pretty heavy going as well. So got some freshies to go on. I do want to upgrade to a 6 boost, and I've got a TD06 at home. But at the moment, I've been running the Hypergear G3 high flow, which I think they're biggest high flow. It's done the job, nice responsive power. But yeah, I think there's too much heat going through that log manifold. We've got it to go top mount, gain a bit more response, and down low power hopefully. Got a cam gear and other stuff to go on it. Paint's coming along. How's it going, team?
Not good.
You're on camera.
I want to be sacked, alright? I want to be sacked.
Oh, no. You're not getting paid anyway, so you pretty much are.
She's whinging.
I'm not whinging. You bloody snap my head off every 2 seconds.
I can't even open my mouth. You know, and she's...
Do this, don't do it that way. Don't do this.
She'll be
Our first Kang Gang Factory customer, Cody.
How good is that?
How you going, boy?
How are you, bro?
What are you getting done today?
Just gonna lock the diff and probably try and do some steering lock modifications as well, which should be good.
Like we got Cammy Boy on the job. He's a Diff welding master. And we're gonna have a suss at some lock things. So I haven't really looked at these BMWs yet, so we'll have a suss. Our good friend Mike Lake is the BMW expert, so we'll pick his brain. I'm sure we can get some extra lock out of this bad boy. Marcus on his mini Ranger. Dada's big Ranger in the background. Give us a dose. No? Bram bram. Oh no, what happened?
Oh no.
Out of battery.
No.
There you go. Bram bram. Not today. And wall's looking good. Getting it. Another few hours and we'll have one white wall. What do you reckon?
I might have to come back on Thursday.
Oh my god.
We've still got a
The 5x120 PCD on the BMW to 5x114.3 Nissan spec, and tried my XT7s on it. A little bit Mexican. Just need some hella cam, but I get them in there like the Mert, and you'll be right. Whoa! It's all about Nissan wheels on things though. Everyone's vlogging these days. It's the thing to do. Get your Corona vlog out, man. Yeah. Old Cam's done some nice welds. Bernie's looking that moustache off.
Don't put that on there. Don't put that on there. I
Cam
swear to
hates it.
God.
Cam L's
Cam hates it.
Nah, legit.
Famous.
Mate. Don't put that in there.
Touch put what I want in there.
So we've done a bit of the weldy boys on the drift. Oh, on the diff, sorry. Look at that. She's looking thick.
Alright, we all done. She's all back in. Got a locker. What BMW is it?
E46.
E46 325i. The 6 straight 6 is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's got a locker. How are you gonna feel with your new locker?
Oh, I'm gonna feel amazing. I feel like a pure Reet.
It's a P-plater's dream having a locker and a straight 6.
If only I was a P-plater.
You are at heart. We all are. Alright, let's see if she chirps. Oh yeah.
Definitely works.
Definitely locked. Nice. Get a nice bit of sticky tape on you. Nice bit of sticky tape for the road.
Lovely. still got stuck in there, bro.
Huh?
I still got some shit in there.
In where?
In there.
Christened. Oh, how's that? Damn. Ready to show off to the boys now.
Looking mighty fine.
Oh, I hope you enjoyed your service here at the Kang Gang Factory.
Oh, 5 out of 5. Definitely will be coming back. So thank you for that.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Done.
Till next time.
Done.